Madrid, and welcome to the English language broadcast of Spanish National Radio. I'm Marlene Quintana. At the end of August, the UK government announced new border controls, and our colleague Amy Egan talked to Miguel Flavian, head of foreign trade at the Spanish Chamber of Commerce, to hopefully get to the bottom of what this all means.
Okay, so the effect these controls will have is obviously they make a bit slower the importing products. They go through the customs, they need to review documents.
And after that, we tell you all about Spain's languages, history and origins. But first, as always, the news from Spain. The road to the investiture is coming to an end. Tomorrow, Tuesday the 26th, the investiture vote for Prime Minister will take place in Congress. At the moment, it seems like investiture candidate and leader of the People's Party, Alberto Núñez Feijóo, has not achieved the 4 votes he needs for a successful investiture. If Mr. Feijóo does not get enough congressional approval, a new candidate needs to be named by King Felipe VI. Current Prime Minister Socialist Pedro Sánchez is already paving the way for his investiture by negotiating with Catalonian separatist groups, as their support is crucial.
Les quedan 4 días para que el señor Feijóo pierda la votación. Lo siento.
It's only 4 days until Mr. Feijóo loses the investiture vote. I'm sorry, there will be a socialist government, he said on an event on Saturday. Last week, the implementation of Basque, Galician and Catalan was the first step in the negotiations, and it came at the Catalonian separatist party's request. The coalition government formed by the socialist and leftist party Sumar are also working on a new amnesty law to be applied for jailed and prosecuted Catalonian separatists. On Sunday, the People's Party organized a public event to protest against the amnesty, where candidate Mr. Feijóo said that he will defend that Spain is a group of free and equal citizens, whatever it takes, even if it takes the presidency.
Aunque me cueste la presidencia del gobierno, voy a defender que España es un conjunto de ciudadanos libres e iguales. Nos cueste lo que nos...
His statement was received with applause and chants. Jail for Catalonian separatist Puigdemont. The People's Party and the government did not even reach an agreement about how many people attended the event. The People's Party announced 60,000 people were attending, whereas the government delegation said it was around 40,000. In Madrid, a 36-year-old woman was found dead with multiple stab wounds. Police are still trying to find the main suspect, but they don't rule out a case of violence against women. If confirmed, it would be the 39th woman killed by their partners or ex-partners this year, the same amount as last year in December.